When it comes to medical device manufacturing, precision, efficiency, and quality are non-negotiable. New medical device advancements are made every day, and with that comes new challenges, not to mention the staffing and production demands that many companies are already facing. A-House Tool & Engineering has been designing and building special equipment and automation assemblies for more than a quarter century, with decades of medical product experience. A-House is able to partner with companies of any size, and with expertise in automation, work holding, design, machining, engineering, and project management, A-House can integrate with companies during any phase of the design, production, and assembly processes. Innovation is at the heart of the surgical device industry, and A-House is at the forefront of technological advancements in manufacturing. Our automation technology can perform intricate tasks with unparalleled precision. When it comes to manufacturing surgical devices, such precision is vital. But what if you can pair that precision with efficiency, repeatability, and conservation of labor? Automation works around the clock, speeding up the manufacturing process, increasing accuracy, and maximizing employee productivity. Medical advancements save lives every day, so the collaboration between medical device manufacturers and the right automation company plays a vital role in ensuring that healthcare professionals have access to the most reliable and effective tools, and patients get the potentially life-saving care they need. Embracing automation is not just a choice, it's a commitment to excellence and a safer, healthier future for all. A-House, built for good.